Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Business Account email. It's really simple and easy. If you want to change your Google Business Account email, you will have to add another profile. So that means transfer of primary ownership of a business profile to another account. So you cannot change the Gmail again because that is a certain Gmail that you will be creating. Once you already created it, you cannot change it. So you can only change your primary ownership of a business profile and you can share it to another person. So first of all, you need to get verified and learn your business profile. Then you have to go to your business profile, and here you have to log into your business profile. Then you have to click on your users tab and then review the available users on your profile. You can find the users that you want. You have to click here and then manage the role and select your primary owner, as you can see right here. As soon as you select your primary owner, you have to click on this transfer right here. They can add and delete the owners and managers, change the account permissions, include yours, and delete this account completely. So you must remember that it must be only you and yourself alone only. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change Google Business Account email. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.